Lumalaban po ngayon sa sakit na cancer ang isang Pinay bodybuilder sa Amerika. Ang kanya pong mga kaibigan sa Calgary, lumilikom po ngayon ng pondo para matulungan ang ating kababayan. Pakinggan po ang hirap na kanyang pinagdaraanan at kung paano po maaaring makatulong. Narito ang report.
I was so weak. I was scared because I feel like I couldn't breathe. I said, God, please don't. I don't want to go anywhere.
Na-diagnose ng stage 4 cervical cancer ang Pilipinang si Grace Smith na mula sa Las Vegas, Nevada. Pero kumalat na ito sa kanyang lungs, sa buto hanggang sa kanyang abdomen. Sa pamamagitan ng panayam na ito, pinagtagpong muli si Smith at ang matalik na kaibigang si Credence Castillo Galarion na mula naman sa Alberta.
Just seeing you right now, I feel like I'm breaking down because it's been a while, you know. So yeah, Ron, this is the first time I saw her for like more than 30 years actually.
Ikinagulat ng kanyang mga kaibigan ang pangyayari lalo't kilalang physically active si Smith lalo na sa kanyang bodybuilding bago magpasko noong isang taon nang malaman niya ang masamang balita.
And I said, so what are the options? She said, you're going to do radiation and chemo back to back if your body can handle it. And I said, what if my body can't? What is my other option? She said, hospice. So I start crying because I know what that is. When it's hospice, it's the end. So and I said, so doctor, do you know how much longer I have? And she goes, honestly, I don't know, because your cancer is very aggressive.
Hindi pa man nakakabawi sa pagkakaroon ng cancer noong Disyembre, namatay naman ang kanyang ama noong Enero, kaya nalugmok lalo ang sitwasyon ng pamilya.
For the past week, I couldn't get up. I was so weak. I can't eat. I don't feel like eating. I lost like 40 pounds within 2 months.
Nalalapit pa naman ang kaarawan ni Galarion pero sa halip daw na mag-birthday party, isang fundraising event ang gagawin niya bilang pagpapakita ng kanyang pagmamahal kay Smith. Lahat ng donasyon na idadaan sa QR code ng gaganaping Zumba event sa June 7, direktang mapupunta sa GoFundMe account ng kanyang kaibigan.
You do bodybuilding, you're so healthy, you're beautiful, you do everything. And like in my head, why don't I do something for you? And I couldn't sleep anymore. That's all, I'm thinking about, just to help you.
Honestly, I never felt I'm going anywhere, and I don't, because I feel like it's not my time. And I feel like I don't really feel it. I feel like there's a lot of fight in me.
Nangako ang dalawa sa isa't isa na agad silang magkikita ng personal kapag naging maayos na ang sitwasyon.
It's just cancer. It's not gonna define who you are. You're a strong person. Everything, every hardships that, we experience in life, there's always light, Hindi ito ang katapusan ng lahat.
I can't wait for that day when the doctors say you're clear. And I am not even going to think about it. I'm going to pack my stuff and fly out there. Just personally, just give you a hug and thank everyone.
Pinaglayuman ng magkaibang bansa, ito ang patunay na walang hangganan ng tunay na pagkakaibigan at ang mga Filipino-Canadians handa palaging tumulong sa mga kababayan.